Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about earwax, what it is, why it's important, and how to safely manage it. Let's get started. Earwax, also known as cerumen, is a natural substance produced by glands in your ear canal. It might seem like a nuisance, but it actually plays a very important role. Earwax helps protect your ears by trapping dust, dirt, and bacteria, preventing them from reaching the eardrum. But sometimes, earwax can build up and cause problems. This can happen due to using cotton swabs, wearing hearing aids, or simply having narrow ear canals. Excessive wax can lead to discomfort, hearing loss, or even infections. So, how do you know if you have too much earwax? Common symptoms include earache, a feeling of fullness in the ear, ringing sounds, tinnitus, or even temporary hearing loss. If you're experiencing any of these, it might be time to take action. If you're dealing with earwax buildup, here are some safe methods to remove it. 1. Use over-the-counter eardrops to soften the wax. 2. Try flushing your ear with warm water, using a bulb syringe. 3. Avoid using cotton swabs or sharp objects, as they can push the wax deeper or damage your ear. However, if the problem persists, or you experience severe pain, drainage from the ear, or sudden hearing loss, it's important to see a doctor immediately. These could be signs of an infection or other serious issues. That's it for today's video. Remember, earwax is natural, but too much of it can cause problems. Always handle your ears with care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical tips. See you in the next video.